System online?
Yeah, everything's ready.
Feed the next sheet. Yeah, bringing it in. Alignment looks good.
Copy that. Copy that.
Hold that bracket steady.
Gaps within tolerance.
Perfect.
Doors ready for QC. Send it.
Spray pressure looks stable.
All good.
Base coat looks smooth.
No streaks.
Clear coat pass 1 complete. Move to curing.
Spin test next. Cue it.
Gear mesh clean. Lock it.
Cell temp stable.
All green.
Laser paths clear.
Proceed. Chassis incoming.
Copy, lines clear.
Secure that connector.
Yeah, locked.
Seat bolts ready. Torque gun set. Pack alignment good.
Lower it slowly. Everything's tight. Perfect.
Send it to quality. On its way.
Panel's clean.
Yeah.
Surface looks good.
Laser sweep active. Geometry checks out.
Toe angle good.
Camber's perfect.
Touchscreen responsive. System's good.
Doors smooth. Gap nice.
Scan complete. Underside clean.
Approval stamp done. Send it out.
Put it on the rollers.
Yeah, lining it up. Speed steady. Torque curve looks good.
Regen strong, no vibration. Tesla regen braking test, regenerative graph on display, rear stabilizer, robot analyzing vibration, clean industrial white environment, camera slow push in.
Wipers active. Sensors perfect.
Battery temp rising. Preheat works. Preheat works.
Cabin heat stable. UV check good.
Camera angle fixed. AP's good.
Radar's clean.
LiDAR returns stable.
E-brake engaged. Response perfect.
Final test complete. Market passed.
Transfer bay ready?
Yeah, set. QR scanned.
Move it out.
VIN confirmed. Good to ship.
Wait, all clear.
Convoy moving. Looks smooth.
Dock's open.
Send it.
Back it up. Good. Perfect alignment.
Ramp locked. Secure.
Straight on. Good angle.
Dispatch clear.
Rolling out.
All right, that's the last shipment. Good work today.